Hello everyone, today I am going to explain you how to create global temporary table in SQL Server. These tables are created in the same way as permanent tables. Okay. To create global temporary tables, add double hash before the table names, as we do not add any symbol before the permanent tables, and add single hash before the local temporary table and double hash before the global temporary table. Okay. These tables are accessible across all sessions. The table is dropped automatically when the session that created it ends. Let's create global temporary table to store duplicate employees. The given below query returns duplicate employees. Let's execute this query and store the result in a global temporary table. You can also create global temporary table using create table command. Into double hash duplicate records. Let's check the table. See here. You can also use this table in where condition or find detail of the duplicate records. Now let's check the presence of this table in another query window. Okay, this table is also accessible here because the session in which this table is created is open. Now I am going to close this session and let's check the presence of table in this query window. Let's execute this query again. See here. The global temporary table was automatically dropped. Thank you for watching this video.